what's up everybody? Coach Aaron here with Super Vegans, and I'm going to go over a super easy, quick hack for meal prep with the air fryer. Today, I'm going to prepare some, not tofu, but some seitan with this sauce here that I got at Trader Joe's. Okay, it's like a herb sauce. It's spicy, but it is good. Okay, and then I'm going to create some seasoned butternut squash, as well as some Brussels sprouts. That's gonna have the green goddess dressing from Trader Joe's marinade on it. Okay. And I'm gonna put all this in the air fryer. Of course, everything's gonna be separate in the air fryer, but this will be done in less than an hour. The seitan probably 10 minutes. The Brussels the butternut squash is probably gonna be around 15 minutes, and the Brussels sprouts anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how long it's gonna cook. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the marinade on everything, season the butternut squash before we put things into the air fryer. So that sauce I was telling you I was gonna put on the seitan is here. It's a spicy sauce, but it's really good. So I'm just gonna mix that up, try to get everything on there. There we go. So that's that right there. So that's gonna give the seitan so much flavor. Like I said, it's gonna be a little bit spicy, but it's great. It tastes amazing. Now with the butternut squash, we're gonna season that with the pink Himalayan sea salt. Put some of that on there, and then we're gonna put the garlic powder, some of that on there. Then we're gonna put some ground black pepper on there, and then mix that up. Okay, and that has its own flavor. You really don't have to put too much seasoning on the butternut squash. So the Brussels sprouts, the green goddess salad dressing, I use this on so many different things. It's so good. So we're just gonna pour some of that over, and then we're gonna mix that in. All right, make sure it gets all over the Brussels sprouts, and then we're ready to start putting these into the air fryer. All right, so now we have the butternut squash in there. It's been in there for about 12 minutes. So now I'm just gonna check it to see how it looks and everything, and then just let it finish off if I need it to finish off. So if you see, it's starting to cook. It's looking good, smelling good. Boom. Now we're just gonna have it finish off. So it'll be done in about 8 minutes. All right, guys, so the butternut squash done. We had that in there for 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, man. Look at that. Good. All right, guys, so here is the seitan that we marinated in that those herbs that we got at Trader Joe's. The word is extremely hard for me to say right now, but this is the seitan. So now we're just gonna put that into the air fryer. So we got that into the air fryer. We're gonna put that in, and we are going to go 400 at 10 minutes. Boom. All right, so now we got the seitan in. I usually always check things halfway through just to see how it's cooking. So let's check on and see how it looks. So it's getting there. It's getting close, so we're almost done. Maybe at about 2 minutes left, I'll check it again just to see if it's done. Alright, so we're down to about 3 minutes on the seitan, but I believe it's done already. So we're just going to go ahead and stop that, take it out. But it is done. Alright, now we're going to move over to the Brussels sprouts. Alright guys, so we've had the Brussels sprouts in there for about 8 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and check it just to see how it's looking, okay? Oh, baby, those are almost done. Looking good. I'm saying about maybe 3 more minutes, and then we'll be good. Alright, guys, so I think they're done now. Smelling good. Everything is smelling really good. Alright, so there it goes. Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. I did 15 minutes, but it's looking like, and also it depends on how much you have in here. Usually I can meal prep all my meals. Like if I had Brussels sprouts for at least 5 or 6 meals, I could just put it all in here and then it might take 15 minutes. But since I only had for maybe 2 or 3 meals, it was done in about 10 minutes. All right. All right, guys, so that's done. Everything that we did today was in the air fryer. Super quick, super easy. All right, so we have the marinated seitan, we have the butternut squash, and we have the Brussels sprouts. Everything done in the air fryer. Easy. This was less than 40 minutes to meal prep this. Usually I meal prep all my meals when I need to do something really quick, and I do it all in the air fryer, and everything comes out tasty. I love having that crisp crunch on my vegetables and stuff, so the air fryer comes in handy. That's a quick hack for you if you need to meal prep something super quick. Use the air fryer. All right. Also, super vegans. I always talk about this. The reason why I created this is because I want to help people get healthier in mind, body, and plant-based nutrition. So if you want to download our 3-part video series, as well as our mindset transformation checklist, our 30-day vegan fat loss nutrition guide, and our home workouts, just go to supervegans.net/free video and download it and do it for 30 days. And I promise it will change your outlook. It will change your body. It will change your mindset. All right. Thanks for being with me in my kitchen today. I appreciate you guys. Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for watching today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you liked what you saw today, if you liked the video, click that like button because that really helps us out. And if you want more content like you saw today, hit that subscribe button because that also helps us out. And don't forget to hit that bell. Leave a comment to let us know what you want to see in the future, okay? Because we're here for you, all right? So thank you again for watching. Peace.